everybody, it's Eileen back again, and quite an exciting day today. So we've had a bit of progress since my last video where I talked about the aims of the garden, and we've got our first draft plans in place. Well, we've had a couple of drafts already because we've started with a plan, looked at it, thought about it, added a few bits, changed a few bits, and it will keep evolving and it will keep changing. That's a bit the nature of it, is that you can, it's not all formally organised and executed delivery all in one go. We're going to live with it, grow with it, and adjust things as I learn more and as the garden starts to evolve. So we've had our first plans, well, more than one plan really, but we've basically got some good ideas in place about how we're going to work with what we've got with the shed space and the water butts and what soils where. And today all the materials are being delivered, so it's quite an exciting day. And the team from Earthed Up in Belper are going to come over and actually get started hands-on today, so it's quite an exciting day. All the materials are coming from a company, agricultural company actually, supplies up near Carsington, Derbyshire, so we're using them because we trust them. They're very reliable, and yeah, it's all systems go. So this is really a last look at the garden as how it has been for the last donkey's years, and start of progress today as we bring the materials around and actually start to get stuck in. So it's very exciting. I'm very excited. And so watch this space. We'll let you know how it goes. Okay, bye.